12:14, meteorologist Damon Matson joins us once again. So much going on. Inauguration weekend. We know the Commanders are out of town. We certainly wish them the best.
Yep.
We have our Commanders colors going on. But my goodness, I think tomorrow I'm going to take advantage of the day because we know
it feels a lot better out there, right?
It really does.
Yeah.
We got a lot of errands to run.
We're trying to get in this warmer air while we can because it's about to get very cold very soon. So let's talk about this wild ride here, folks, that Mother Nature is about to take us on. Now today, we're sort of in that lull before things really start getting interesting. The only nuisance that we have out there, it's still cloudy. That Clipper system that came through last evening that brought some snow showers across the region, it's still keeping some of these clouds in place. But we are expected to see some improvement finally as we head throughout the afternoon hours, bringing in more of that sunshine. And as a matter of fact, parts of the DMV are already experiencing that sunshine. Look at how the clouds are just shrinking into the middle of the DMV here, folks. We're seeing more of that sunshine across Virginia, southern Maryland, even up toward Hagerstown, Frederick here. We're seeing those clouds finally break up. So DC will be one of the last locations to get that sunshine, but it is going to happen over the next hour or two, and we'll finally be able to really enjoy these slightly warmer temperatures, which feel a lot better after how cold it was this week already. 40 again, DC, Manassas, lower 40s across Virginia, southern Maryland as well, and even off to the north, it's approaching 40 along the I-70 corridor in Maryland. So we're going to have that boost in temperatures. We already have it out there. It's running about 10 to 15 degrees warmer than this time yesterday, and any bit of sunshine we get this afternoon will help bring up those temperatures even more before the day is done. So we get to enjoy these warmer temperatures just ahead of the next storm system that is set to arrive tomorrow. Notice how we'll get this clear sky through the night even tonight, but clouds will increase, and then we'll start to see precipitation arriving Saturday morning. Now, depending on exactly how far temperatures drop tonight, there is a chance we see a few wet snowflakes mixed in with some rainfall early tomorrow morning, but as temperatures rise, we will only be seeing rainfall from then on, from about 9 a.m. tomorrow morning through the rest of the day. But it's not going to be an all-day rainfall event. Those showers will stay very scattered. There will be plenty of dry time for us to enjoy the warmer temps. Now, after that rainfall moves through, the temperatures are expected to plunge as we head into the day on Sunday, and there is going to be some lingering precipitation, which means starting Sunday morning, we'll start to see light snow, scattered light snow across most of the DMV. Again, it's not going to be a heavy snowfall. It's not going to be snowing all day on Sunday, but you see it here into the late morning, early afternoon. Many of us will still see more of that snowfall, which will last into the evening on Sunday. And this is going to create a little bit of a mess out there, especially given that it's a holiday weekend. It is the day before Inauguration Day, so a lot of preps will be happening. So again, this is not the most snow we've picked up even this season thus far, but we should be ready for 2 to 4 inches of accumulation across most of the DMV. There will be slightly higher snow amounts out toward the mountains, slightly lower amounts as you head into southern Maryland, but 2 to 4 inches, certainly more than enough with how cold temperatures are about to get to cause very slick, slushy conditions. So that is what we should expect and be ready for as we head into the end of the weekend there. So we have a DMV first warn in place for that snowfall threat. Then as we get into Inauguration Day and through the middle of next week, that is some very cold Arctic air, folks. It's barely going to get back into the 20s. Low temps will be in the single digits, and with that wind chill, it's going to feel like it's below zero through the first half of next week.